Our next topic is special characters. So in every flavor of Linux, there are some special characters. And these special characters are symbols basically. And they have a unique meaning to the Linux system. Keep in mind. And you can use these special character and command line interface. Also, you can use them in scripting. So you can think about these special characters are single character command, which give instruction to the command line interface to perform something. It's like a single command, single character command basically. So we can use these special character to perform complex operation and to automate a task efficiently in the Linux shell. That's why these special characters are very important. So let's discuss few of them. The first one is pound sign. This is the sign pound sign. You can use this pound sign to comment something. Mostly in scripting you will find this if you want to comment something. Next is, I will show you in the lab by the way. Next is semicolon. Semicolon means a command separator. It allows you to run a multiple command in one line. For that purpose you can use semicolon. Ampersand basically run a command in the background. If you want to send the command into the background, so you can use this ampersand. The next special character is pipe. This is the sign and we call them pipe. Now if you want to pass the output of one command into another command, for that purpose we can use the special character pipe. Then we have a greater than sign. This is the greater than. We can use to redirect output to a file. And if you reuse them, so it will overwrite the file. So keep in mind, if the file is already and you use this command to redirect the output, it will overwrite as well. Another special character is double greater than. Now this double greater than, what they will do, they will also redirect to a file, but it will put the detail. It will not overwrite the file, but it will add the file. Next is less than. We can use less than to redirect the input from a file to a command. It is opposite of the greater than. Then we have a dollar sign. We can use dollar sign to reference the value of variable. So if you want to define a variable, so you can reference them by dollar sign. Then we have asterisk. If you want to match 0 or more character, so for that purpose we can use asterisk. Okay. Next is question mark. Question mark we can use to match exactly one character in a file or in variable. If you want to match 2, then you need to type 2 times question mark. If you want to match 3, you need to type 3 times question mark. The next one is curly braces. Used for brace expression to generate a random string. When we do in the lab, so you will understand. Next is parenthesis. If you want to group the command into one output stream or like a subshell, so you can use these parentheses. The next special character is square bracket. Now square bracket you can use to match any one of the enclosed character. Whatever you put in this square bracket, it will match one of the enclosed. Another special character is exclamation mark. Exclamation mark we can use for 2 purposes: to negate, also to rerun the command in your history. So if you want to recall any command in the history, so you can use this a special character. Next special character is backslash. Used to ignore the special meaning of the next character. If you want to use any of these special character and you want to print them exactly whatever like this, then you can use backslash. Next special character is period or dot. It means current directory. Also, we use this dot to show hidden file. So for both purpose, you can use this one. Then we have a double period. It represents the parent directory and the file path. We done this one in the CD as well. Forward slash has also used for two different purposes. As a root directory, because root directory always start from this forward slash, or directory separator. If you want to go to any place, so you need to type cd, then forward slash, suppose etc var something. So you need to use this forward slash. So it's like a directory separator as well. Okay, our next special character is tilde. This is the sign of tilde, and basically tilde represents the home directory of the current user. After that, a special character is triple less than. So this special character, which is a triple less than, it's redirect a string into a standard input of the command. And then we have a double quote and single quote. Double quote used to group character together. However, it treats them as a single argument. Also, if you use a special character and double quote, what they will do? They will take them as a special character. However, as a single quote used to prevent the shell from special character. But if you use special character and single quote, it will be printed same, like it will not consider them as a special character. So this is the major difference between double quote and single quote. We will see in the lab. Then finally we have logical OR and logical AND. Logical OR means to execute second command only if the first command fail. So if one command is failed, the second will run. However, in the case of logical AND, execute the second command only if the first command successful. So if the first command run, then the second will run. However, in the case of logical OR, if one command is run or fail, so another will run. So logical OR and AND means both require to run. OR means either to run. You get the point? So these are the special character in Linux. So in the next video, I will show you in the lab how to use them.